Hi guys, welcome to day 2 of trading with my gold protocol version 21. That's right, it's already version 21. I added more logic into the protocol to make it even better. So what happened yesterday? So let's go back to the history of my trades. And what happened yesterday was we left off at, I think at this trade, right? So after this trade, I went back to my gold protocol and asked it for new signals, and it gave me lots of signals for that day. I think I made four, 3 to 4 or 4 to 5 orders yesterday. Okay, so as you can see here, I only got one loss, 18 cents. Yeah, by the way, I'm using a cent account, so it's not a dollar account, but the previous version 1 I was using a dollar account, $100. But for now, since this is a since I'm testing the new protocol, I'm using cent accounts, and that is why I have a negative 18 cents. So what happened is here is that there was a transition. I was looking at the chart, and I decided to close the open order to wait for another pullback. Okay, so I started the with a 250 cent or dollar profit, and at the middle of the day I decided to withdraw some 500 pesos or only $9 so that I could have some money to buy food. Anyway, with that, the next trades were all positive. So 201 cents, 284 cents, 109 cents, 103 cents, 4 cents, and negative 18. That's where I told you that I checked on the order and decided to close it to wait for a better entry point. And I did get that, and I was able to earn $60, $175, cents, 205 cents, and 69 cents. So as of now, for 2 days of trading, my total profit is 2,173 cents or $21, starting from a deposit of 1,692 or $16.92. Sounds small, but if you do have bigger capital and make it into a dollar account, um, the results will still be the same. Just add an additional zero. So imagine if this was a dollar account, then I would have really big income. So right now I have a running open order, and that is this one. So the price is 4139, 4138. As you can see that I always do not put in a stop loss because I'm very confident with my gold protocol that it will gain profit, and I find it bothersome to put in the stop loss. But the gold protocol also includes that in its equation. So right now I am already at a profit of 100 cents and 71 cents. I'm going to TP at 41.62 and 41.62. Okay, so as an update, I'm actually creating now the EA, or the executive assistant, or most of you know as robot or AI. But actually it's not AI, that's wrong. That is an executive assistant. So everything is ready here, and I'm translating it into MQ5 code, and then I'm going to compile and then test it. So maybe by next week, the EA will be in the production, and I will be selling it for $100. That's around 5,000 pesos. 5,000 pesos for an EA is very cheap actually, and with the current if the back test and the demo tests are really good, and I do think because of the results here in the manual trading of my gold protocol, once I make it an EA, it will also give you lots and lots of profit. At the same time, it's going to be automatic. So the $100 or the 5,000 peso price tag is really cheap. Okay, so that would be my video for today. and I'm going to go back with you. Gonna get back to you once I have closed this trade, and you can always check my trades in my gold protocol. I mean my fxbook.com link. That's where you could see the my gold protocol right here. So this ready version, gold protocol version 20 by Solana Solutions, and so you can check my current results with my gold protocol manual trading. As of now, manual, and by next week, executive assistant or automatic. Okay guys, so if you want to buy the gold protocol version 20, just go to my smart online income page in Facebook. So this is the link, facebook.com smart online income page. Okay, click on message and click on fact. This one, how to buy gold protocol V20, and okay, V20, and you will get this message, and you can pay using GCash 500 pesos to my phone number. And if you're not in the Philippines and from the US or from whatever foreign country, you could pay $10 using PayPal. So this is my link here. Just click on that and send $10. Just a note, please send the exact amount so we will not process the wrong amount. And once you do, please reply with your confirmation, payment confirmation, and we will send the password protected gold protocol V20 PDF within 24 hours. So that's it, and have a great day. So every day starting yesterday, I will be posting in my YouTube channel on YouTube channel on how to use my gold protocol. Okay, now as a walkthrough, so this is how you use my gold protocol. Paste in the gold protocol here, apply the protocol with this chat. And then from there, put in your balance. Balance is 2965.04. Price is 4144.82 at 5:36 p.m. Give outlook. Okay, with this prompt, ChatGPT along with TradeGPT will do their research, their technical analysis according to my protocol. I have already defined rules, the best defenses against bad scenarios, and the best strategies to get the best signal for you today. Okay, so my gold protocol will give you all this following information, and you can go through it and see what you need to do for today. So now my recommended action is scalp intraday. So buy at 4143.50, and the SL is 4131, TP is 4151, 4155.80. So since I already have an open order, and since this is what this TP is what my gold protocol says to use, I'm going to edit the TP I have right now so that it will align with what my gold protocol instructs me to do. So 4155.80. Okay, as you can see, I only put 4155.80 to both trades. It should be TP1 and TP2, but what I'm actually doing is that when the price hits TP1, I withdraw 50% of this open order, and then also in this open order, and then make a trailing stop of 70 points so that I already get initial profit at the same time. It will allow me to still get profit from TP2 with the trailing stop. Okay, that's it for today. So I hope that you like my video, and if you do, please don't hesitate to like and subscribe. And if you like to try out my gold protocol, please do buy from me. It's only $10. That's only 500 pesos. You can easily regain your 500 pesos with just one day of trading on a cent account, just like what I did yesterday, where I withdrew $9, which is 500 pesos, for my food for the day. Okay, so thank you so much for listening, and we'll see each other on day 3 tomorrow as I record again my trading for tomorrow's session. Bye bye.